Welcome to the fifth lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Specification Level 2. The focus of this lesson is on the method of making beanies. We are now learning to make beanies using narrowing. We start by adjusting the knitting rules. First, set up the narrowing rules. For narrowing, choose Narrow Evenly, and here you can set the method. For visible fashioning marks, choose to leave stitches at the edge. Each fashioning mark consists of 2 stitches, then reduce by 2 stitches each time, meaning 1 stitch on each side. Click OK, then repeat the stitch narrowing settings just now. And organize the text. We can export the Smart Graph to have a look. This is the method of making beanies. This lesson primarily focuses on making beanies using narrowing. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.